laskaai, and this is a quick drawing process of post-pandemic first. The reference is from a picture I took of my campus when they began starting offline classes. I hope you like it. I first made a rough sketch of the whole drawing, built the perspective, and made stick figures for the subjects. Using more pressure, I outlined the sketch. Unfortunately, I did not get to film the whole process because this is one of my art school assignments with a deadline. I'm still new to the art YouTube community, and it's hard to focus on filming and drawing. Sometimes I just want to focus on drawing and not think about how it will look on the camera. Plus, my phone gets really hot after filming for an hour straight. This is the progress so far, and I hope I can finish this by today. So yeah. After I finished the sketch, came my favorite part, rendering. I used lighter pencils to make the overall shadow. Then, using thicker pencils, I defined the details like stones and other objects in the drawing. It ended up being one of my favorite pieces I've made. I took my time with this piece, finishing this around a day, which was a luxury considering most drawing assignments were due in 4 hours. And yeah, I'm really proud of the result. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope I'll see you later and enjoy the final shot.